Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook account's password on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to change the Facebook account's password on your iPhone, first open up the Facebook app on your iPhone like this. And after opening your Facebook app like this, you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that menu icon like this. And over here scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on that settings and privacy option like this, and again you can see all of these options appear. Tap on settings again and scroll down guys until you see the security and login just below the security category. Tap on that security and login like this. And over here guys you can see all of your security and login options. So in order to change your password, over here you can see the change password option under the category of login. Tap on that change password like this, and over here you'll be required to enter your current password like this, and after that enter your new password, and again enter that new password. And after that tap on update password button available over here, and then you will be able to change your password successfully. But if you've forgotten your password, you can also see the forgot password button over here below the cancel button. Tap on that forgot password to go to a procedure to retrieve or reset your account's password. That being said guys, after entering your original password and your new password 2 times, once for the confirmation and again for the verification. With that being said guys, after entering your passwords, tap on update password and your Facebook account's password will be changed instantly. And there guys, this is how you change your Facebook account's password from your Facebook. And there guys, this is how you change your Facebook account's password on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.